Congratulations on your new vehicle. We're excited to have you as part of our Subaru family. Getting a new car is exciting and overwhelming, but that's where I step in. My name is Makayla, and I'm a delivery specialist here at Peltier Subaru. Come with me to learn a few tips and tricks on your Forester. Let's go. We're going to start with the outside of your vehicle first, starting with keyless entry system. I have the key on my person, touch the two lines on top, and you get visual confirmation that it locks. To unlock, you put your hand in the door handle, and you can swing that door open for you, and also open all the other doors as well. There is a button in here to turn on our hands-free power rear gate. Make sure that it is pushed out so that way we are able to have it on all the time. To open the rear gate, have the key on your person, kick right in the middle of the back, and it's gonna open right up for you. Now let me show you the back. If you want to be able to fold down your second row, you have this button here on both sides, and it folds the seat down. You also have multiple accessory points on the sides, and you also get two hooks as well on the top. If your car comes with it, you get a retractable cargo cover, and if you're wondering where your spare tire is, you get that right under your floorboard here. And you also have extra space to stow away anything else you need. All right, let's go back inside the car and learn some things in there. Now that we're inside your vehicle, let's go over a few questions that we normally get. First is always going to be phone pairing. So I'm going to show you how to do that. This button right here on your screen, tap on that, and this is how you manage your devices. We're going to click on add, and now we're going to go to our phone settings, and we're just going to go to Bluetooth. I'm going to scroll all the way down until I see the name Forester pop up down here. There it is. Click on that. Numbers match, pair, allow, and now we're going to wait for the Bluetooth connection to go between the phone and the car. Once it does, it'll realize if you have an iPhone or an Android, and it'll ask you to do either Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Press yes, no, and now it's going to do a mirror image of your phone onto the car now. Once you have that up and running, you have now successfully paired your phone. So now another question that we always get to is, how do I know if I have rain sensing wipers or not? Well, we're going to go to our lever on the right side. So this does have auto sensing wipers. Just turn it down, get that initial wipe, and we adjust it to whatever sensitivity we would like for that. And you don't have to touch it again. Now, if you go through a car wash, just make sure that you turn it off, and then you're good to go. Another question we always get is, how do I get my cruise control working? We have this button right here for our cruise control. We just click on that and we get our screen up and ready. You can change your distance either to a minimum or the maximum with these two right here. And then you can also set and resume your speed, increase, decrease. And this is your lane keep assist. This will keep you in the center of the lane, and it tells you with the icon ready in the steering wheel. Another thing is, what is this SI drive? So this is going to be two different modes that you get, and you actually get a graph of how your acceleration is going to be. I is your normal driving. S is your sport mode, so it gives you a better increased speed for you. And this right here, once we get our cruise control off, we can actually go through our different screens on the dash. And it toggles through all of them for any information that you need. If you have any other questions, please put them in the comments below or contact your delivery specialist at your dealership. If you want an honest dealership that you can trust and a delivery specialist who appreciates you and is here to help, come see us here at Peltier Subaru in Tyler, Texas.